In this video, I will show you how you can display a single filter using Widget, Elementor, Gutenberg and Shortcode. So let's visit our dashboard, and from appearance, we'll get the widget option. As you can see, we have already added our filter plugin at WooCommerce sidebar. Now we'll add our plugin at WooCommerce archive content. Click the plus icon and search for Dynamic AJAX and choose the filter type single. There one thing you must remind that to enable the single filter option, you must need to add the filter options at sidebar. So let's add attribute ID, processor and click update. Now let's go to shop page and reload the page. And you see our processor filter is showing here as single filter. So let's filter with first option. See, that's how it works. You can remove filter from here. That's how you can add single filter to your shop using Widget. Now we will add single filter using Elementor. Go back to dashboard, hover over new and click page. Let's create a new page and rename it to single filter using Elementor. Now click edit with Elementor. Now click the plus icon and choose a suitable layout. I'm selecting this structure. Let's change columns width for better view. Let's make it 25 and this one 75. Now it seems okay. Now in the right column, click plus icon, search for products, drag and drop it here. Now in the left column, click plus icon, search for Dynamic AJAX. This is our filter. Let's drag and drop it here. Now at the top, click add element. You can search your plugin here, and you can also get our plugin at Elementor. We have a section of our plugin. There is more plugin one-page checkout, buy now, Dynamic AJAX, floating cart and multi-product one-page checkout. Now we need our Dynamic AJAX filter. Let's drag it and drop it at the top of our product section. And from filter option, let's change its type, single filter. Here we need to add the attribute slug. So let's add our attribute ID, processor. Now you will see the processor filter option will display as single filter at the top of our product section. See? Now click publish. Click the eye icon to preview the changes. Now let's filter with AMD Ryzen 7. You see the related products. So that's how you can add single filter using Elementor. Now we will add single filters using block editor. Go back to dashboard, hover over new and click page to create a new page. You can rename the page as you want. Let's rename the page single filter using Gutenberg. Now click the plus icon to add a block. Now search for column and click on it. Now choose a layout for your page. Now you can set the column width for better view. Let's make the left column 25 and right column 75. Now in the right column, click plus icon to add a block. Search for shortcode. Now paste the product shortcode here. Now in the left column, click plus icon to add the filter widget. Now search for Dynamic AJAX. Here is our filter, click on it. Now to add the single filter above the product section, click plus icon, search for Dynamic AJAX and drag and drop it here at the top of our product section. Now on the right side, you will see filter settings. Change the filter type from all to single. And here you need to add the attribute ID. Let's add processor and click publish. Hitting publish. See, the processor single filter has been added at the top of our product section. Let's filter with AMD Athlon. That's how you can add single filter using Gutenberg at the top of our product section. Now we will display the single filter using shortcode. For this example, I'm using Divi theme and Divi builder. Go back to dashboard, hover over new and click page to create a new page. You can add a title here. Now click use Divi builder. Now select build from scratch and click start building. Now choose a layout. Now search for code module. Click on it. Now go to plugin dashboard. On the right side, you will find shortcodes for displaying filters. To display the full filter, copy the shortcode and paste it here. Since we want the filter on the left sidebar, so let's remove the top view text and click Save Changes. And now at right side, click the plus icon and again search for code module. Click on it. Now we'll add here a single filter. So let's go back to our plugin dashboard. So here is the shortcode for displaying a single filter. Let's copy this and paste it here. As you want to display a single filter, now we'll have to add here attribute selector. Let's add processor to display the single filter. Click Save Changes. Now at the right side, after the single filter, we'll add our products. So click Add New Module. And here we will add our products through shortcodes. So again search for code module, click on it and paste here product shortcode and click Save Changes. Now click on 3 dots and click Publish. Now click Exit Visual Builder. You can see here processor as a single filter has been added at the top of our product section. That's how you can add single filter using Widget, Elementor, Gutenberg and shortcodes.